challenge each week during what would normally be our special. And they work together to try to solve the problem. And some of them are brain teasers. This one we are actually focusing on a character trait, which is showing patience. And then there are a bunch of different challenges for the kids to do. One of the big things that I try to keep in mind with the kids when I'm teaching them is that they should be problem solving together and trying to collaborate. And if they're not sure how to do something, not to just come to see me right away, just to try to figure it out for themselves.
Do they have a goal, or
Yes.
are they just like fiddling?
No, they always have a goal. For this one, they're trying to create the most interesting playground. There's also challenge cards on here that they, do you see what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
So then
I'm familiar with this company. I have
trying
something
to,
from them on something else, like
Mhm.
a coding
Mhm.
game, and it's the same thing where you have cards and stuff.
yeah. Well, and like this one, I think it's important for the kids to be able to talk to each other and have conversations. So they're like all these different, like, what is your least favorite chore at home and why? Where like they just get to literally sit in a circle group and like talk to each other and get to know each other.
That's awesome.
Because it's not the rules. But
How many centers do you have?
10.
Oh, okay.
And some of them I'll change out. Like they get sick of the Legos after a little bit. They're done with Jenga after one time. And then I'll switch
How
them out.
often do you do this time?
I do it at least once a week. Sometimes I can get it in more than that. Depends on.
Do you
what
do
we're
it like the
doing.
day you don't have center or something, or?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the one time where I always do it.
Uh-huh.
Sometimes we'll have extra time at the end of the day and I'll let them go to their next rotation.
Do any of the centers have like open-ended assignments or like not assignments where they can just create things?
Yes. This is another building one where they have to try to build what's in the pictures.
Mm-hmm.
So for this one, once they show me one that they were successful with, like so if they build this,
Uh-huh.
then they can go back and be creative with them and do it.
Kind of earn the opportunity
Yes.
to make their own thing.
Yep.
Cool.
Same thing with the qubits. They can make their own designs.
Do you
once
do
they
any?
show me.
Do you use the iPads for any of the centers?
Not yet, but I'm planning to.
Uh-huh.
If I can find
I like-
something that would be fitting.
I like the hands-on